Hair masks can make a tremendous difference in the health, the manageability, and the shine of your hair, but a lot of them are super, super expensive, and not all of us can do super expensive right now. Today I'm going to show you how to make my favorite hair mask using ingredients that you'll find right in your very own kitchen. As a licensed hairdresser, I have tried a ton of DIY hair masks, and these are the ones that I find are the most effective and give the best end result. I got a ton of these ideas on birdie.com, so I'm going to leave a link to that exact article in the description box below in case you want to go over there and read a little bit more about it. Let's go. The first one I want to show you is the bananas and olive oil mask. Now this is specifically for very dry or damaged hair. Bananas contain potassium, which really strengthens hair, and olive oil is rich in healthy fats and vitamin E, which makes the hair look really, really shiny and actually reduces frizz. This is a great hair mask for healing. So if you have hair that needs healing, this is the hair mask for you. For this particular mask, you want to shampoo your hair first. You want to towel dry, apply the mask, leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes as your conditioning step, and then rinse it off. If you have really dry, damaged hair or hair that really needs repair, you want to do this maybe once a week or even twice a week if you can. The next mask I want to talk about is olive oil and coconut oil, and this is for shine. Let's take a minute to talk about coconut oil, because coconut oil is like a magic oil with so many health and beauty benefits. This is why it is awesome. Clinical data shows that coconut oil actually helps to get rid of some types of fungal infections. Therefore, it helps heal or prevent dandruff on the scalp. Coconut oil is also a natural saturated fat, and the high fat content in it may actually help calm scalp irritation, flaking, and itching. So if you're the type of person, particularly in the winter, that has a lot of issues with really itchy scalp, tons of flaking, even dandruff, coconut oil may be a great natural remedy for you to incorporate into your hair care routine to really get all of that under control. The fat in coconut oil can also help seal in hair moisture. Coconut oil absorbs into the hair strands better than mineral oil and other kinds of oil, so this may help prevent hair breaking and split ends. There is even tons of data out there that says that if you use coconut oil on a regular basis, you can actually trim your hair less because your ends don't split as much, therefore your hair grows more. So a lot of people talk about coconut oil for hair growth. Now, coconut oil can't go into your follicles and into your scalp and grow your hair faster. Nothing can really do that on, a topical level. That's just not really how hair growth works. But I think people get that impression because if your hair isn't splitting, you don't need to trim it as much. If you need to trim it less, it seems like your hair is growing faster. This is just a few of the many, many, many benefits of coconut oil. I got down the coconut oil rabbit hole the other day, and there are a lot of benefits, and there's a lot of different ways to use it. If you guys want a whole video on it, on clinical data, on the benefits, on different ways to use coconut oil specifically, leave that in the comment section because I would love to make it for you if enough of you are interested in it. So how do you use it? There are a few different ways to use coconut oil in your hair. One really easy way is just to put it in a little jar, pop it in the microwave, make sure that it is warm and melted, and then rub it from the scalp to the ends, wrap it in a towel for 15, 20 minutes, even 30 minutes, and then shampoo it out. So it can be used as a pre-shampoo treatment. Using this as a post-shampoo treatment can sometimes be problematic because it can make the hair feel a little bit weighed down or a little bit greasy, especially if you have fine hair. But a pre-shampoo treatment is a great option. You can also incorporate lots of other really healthy kitchen ingredients into it. So you can add avocado to it, you can add olive oil to it, you can add argan oil to it. I like mixing this with olive oil because of its richness in healthy fats and vitamins. I find that combination works really well with coconut oil on my hair especially. The next mask that is chock full of ingredients is yogurt, coconut oil, and honey. And this is particularly good for people with dry, damaged hair who also want added shine. That's like everyone. I don't know who doesn't want that. So with that whole splurge about coconut oil, I can also tell you that Greek yogurt is something else that's amazing for beauty. Greek yogurt has a high protein content and and a creamy consistency. So it provides serious conditioning for dry, damaged hair. It's great at controlling frizz and even adding shine. So what you want to do here is you want to combine 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon of honey, and a 1/4 teaspoon of coconut oil, and then apply that to the strands, leaving it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing. Now the thing with these ingredients and the thing with the measurements of these ingredients is you can be free here. So if you are someone that needs a little bit more coconut oil in your recipe, add more. If you want to add more Greek yogurt so that it's not as oily, then add less coconut oil, add more yogurt. You don't have to follow the specific measurements in this video. I often just kind of put everything together and blend it all up and then apply it. So go ahead and be creative with it. That's the best thing about DIY masks. You're getting all of the great ingredients from all of these natural products, but you can just kind of do whatever you want and incorporate them in the way that works the best for you and your hair type. Now, if you have fine hair and you're afraid of oil, I'm gonna let you in on a fine hair, natural hair mask that you're gonna love, and it's milk and honey. So honey contains keratin, which strengthens hair and prevents damage. Honey also has anti-inflammatory properties, which can calm irritation on the scalp. Now, milk contains protein, amino acids, vitamin B12, iron, and zinc, which softens the hair and supports the hair's structure. For this particular treatment, what you want to do is shampoo your hair first. You want to apply it from scalp to ends, leave it for 15 to 20 minutes, and then rinse it out. Now, a really cool tip from birdie.com is that if you have thick hair and you want to use this mask, you can do it with really heavy milk products like cream. If you have very fine hair and you want to do this mask, then you can use something like skim milk. You're still going to get the great properties, but you can customize it according to your hair needs and the density of your hair. And finally, we are not going to get through a whole DIY hair mask video without talking about avocado, because avocado is an amazing ingredient, again, in beauty. We have coconut oil, we have avocado, and we have yogurt. These are all really great things that you can use to get amazing benefits in a very natural way. So as we know, although there's nothing that can repair split ends, if you need to get by in time for your next haircut and you want to kind of mend split ends, this is a really great DIY hair mask for split ends in particular. Avocados have proteins and vitamins which nourish and soften the hair. And olive oil, again, is rich in healthy fats and vitamin E, which makes the hair look shiny and reduces frizz. So you just combine avocado and olive oil, you mix it all together, and you apply that on your hair. Now, for this one in particular, you want to apply it to your ends only. It's better if you apply it on your ends only, and you want to leave it on for like half an hour. So grab a snack, watch a movie, do some chores around the house, and leave it on your hair for half an hour for maximum benefits. And then you can rinse it away or just wash it off. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you tried any of these, let me know which one in the comment section below and let me know how it goes. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them there. I check every single comment. I'm always here to answer and help you with your hair. I'll see you next week. Bye.